Hello guys and welcome. This is a quick video of how you can do green screening or chroma keying in Kdenlive like a pro. So if you're coming from a software like Lightworks, doing green screening or chroma keying in there is really straightforward and easy. It's not as obviously easy in Kdenlive as it should probably be. Let's quickly jump into Kdenlive and see how you can get proper green screening in under 30 seconds. So basically we add in the color selection. Now there's a difference between the color selection and the chroma key effect. Basically, from what I read in the docs, the color selection offers more tweaks, so you can do more slider and push here and there as compared to using the chroma key effect. Basically, the color selection is similar to the slider options you have in Lightworks. With the color selection effect added to our footage, basically I have the green screen footage on top and the image I want to superimpose as the to take over the green screen in the lower track. With this, we need to use the color picker to select the color we want to use as a target. Now, previously I would select a single area, and that was a challenge in trying to tweak here and there. But then I've learned from the Kdenlive forums that it's possible to select an entire area, and that allows the color selection effect to have more data to actually make the decision as to where to apply the keying and all that. Depending on your footage, you might have to change these settings, but then for this video footage I have here, I am able to know that using the HCI selection subspace works pretty well. It's an ungraded footage, and so you would have to check if after grading you still get the same results. But in this case, without the grading, I make these selections, and then with the this delta R, I don't know what those stand for, by tweaking them here and there, changing the slope and all that, allows you to get that smooth transition and all that. Here, the edge mode, by setting it to normal, you can expect better results when it comes to how good your chroma key is. That is using the color selection. Now, if you want to go the chroma key approach, it's a pretty similar step, except it doesn't have much options when it comes to the slider that you can play with. It only has the variants which you would use. Also with that, you can select an entire section which will then be used in making the decision as to where to apply the chroma key. And by scrolling back and forth with this approach, you get to see there's some spells happening in there, and it's not always as clean as the color selection will do it for you. You would have to make a very good selection in a chroma key effect in order to get the clean chroma key you want. Depending on where you select, you see I'm getting different results. Basically, with this approach, you can combine them to get the right results depending on the footage you have, and have a great chroma keying effect in Kdenlive. That is some of the things I've learned within the past 2 weeks about Kdenlive. I've been struggling to get this keying working. You can see some of my videos, I just have the green in the background. I can't get it to work. I would want to use Lightworks, but it also doesn't work like that because I need to pay to export more than 720p. And most of my videos, in fact all of them, are in 1080p or upwards, so it's kind of a hindrance. Getting Kdenlive to do my chroma keying as good as I want means I'm able to push videos out there with this background chroma keying effect. I hope this video helped you to better improve your chroma keying in Kdenlive, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.